Welcome! This is a short demo of the basic stitch number 1, the knit. First of all, congratulations on making the row 0 and casting on your first stitches. Now we're going to do row 1. Here we are going to knit only with the knit stitch, which is usually found as an abbreviation K in patterns and instructions. What you need is your hands, 2 needles. I have circular, but you can have 2 needles, it doesn't matter, and some yarn. If you're ready, let's dance and move the needles. So what you're going to do first is place this needle with the stitches on in your left hand. Here the loose end is on the back, you don't need to worry about it. And you're going to have your ball of yarn and the working yarn. So remember, the working yarn here is the string that is attached to the ball of yarn. It's placed on the right side of your work, and the string is going to be placed at the back of your work. That's important, you'll see why. At the back of your work. So now let's do it. You're going to insert the needle in the loop here, front to back. I'm going to make it a little bigger so you can see. You're going to put the needle in there. With your right hand, you take your working yarn and you're going to wrap around the needle, the right needle, clockwise. So you go this way. And you take it here, and what you're gonna do is bring on the right needle here, bring over that loop you just created, and now it's on your right needle. With this part, you're gonna slide it away from the left needle, this way, and you've done your first knit stitch, and now it's only a repeat. So insert the needle in the loop front to back, wrap the yarn clockwise on your right needle, bring towards you this loop and slide the left stitch away from the left needle. And again, you insert the needle in the loop, you wrap around clockwise, you bring it towards you with your right needle, and you slide away, and so forth. And again, and again, and again, and again. What I want to show you quickly here is when you come closer, if you expand a little bit, you're going to notice that this stitch is making a little V shape here when it's knitted. So we're going to do the full row because I want to show you how then you get into row 2. And you knit, and you knit very quickly. Again, muscle memory, like the cast on. It's going to take over and you're not going to think about it, and you're going to just knit sometimes without even looking at your work anymore. That's for later. Almost there. A few more. Okay, and now you have all your stitches on your right needle. And what is happening now is, it's a little bit of magic. Your right needle is going to become your left needle by just swapping it on the other hand. That's it. Then you're going to take the empty needle and you're going to do exactly the same as before. You insert the needle in the first stitch, you wrap the yarn around, bring it towards you, and slide away. And again. And again. Oops. And again. And now about vocabulary and words. When you knit all your stitches, right side and wrong side, you're going to make the garter stitch. That's the name that is used. Okay. Next video is going to be about the purl stitch. I'll see you there. Enjoy!